Have you ever dreamed of making money online? YouTube offers an exciting opportunity. Many people earn a living by creating and sharing videos. Whether it's gaming, cooking, or comedy, there's a place for you. Let's explore how you can unlock YouTube's earning potential. It's time to turn your passion into profit. YouTubers earn money through various avenues. Advertising revenue is a primary source. When people watch ads on your videos, you get paid. Sponsorships are another lucrative option. Companies pay YouTubers to promote their products or services. Additionally, selling merchandise like t-shirts or mugs can generate significant income. PewDiePie, MrBeast, and Charli D'Amelio are examples of highly successful YouTubers. They've amassed millions of subscribers and earned substantial incomes. Their strategies include consistent uploads, engaging content, and savvy self-promotion. By studying their methods, aspiring YouTubers can glean valuable insights. New YouTubers can start earning by focusing on a niche audience, create high-quality videos that cater to their interests, promote your channel on social media platforms, engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for feedback. Remember, building a loyal following takes time and effort. Welcome to Section 5. Eyes on the prize. Viewership equals earning power. Now, viewership is crucial for YouTube earnings. The more views your videos get, the higher your earning potential, right? But it's not just about the views. Engagement, measured by likes, comments, and shares, is equally important. High engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable, leading to increased visibility and revenue. Section 6. Small Channel Big Dreams. The reality of YouTube earnings. While anyone can earn on YouTube, it's important to have realistic expectations. Small channels typically earn less than larger ones. It takes time to build a substantial audience and attract sponsors. Focus on creating quality content and growing your channel organically. Success will follow. Section 7. YouTube's evolving rules, staying ahead of the game. YouTube's policies regarding monetization are constantly evolving. Stay informed about changes to the platform's terms of service and community guidelines. Adherence to these rules is crucial for maintaining a monetized channel. Keep learning and adapting to ensure continued success. Section 8. The power of community. Building a loyal following. Building a strong community around your channel is essential. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, and foster a sense of belonging. Host live streams, Quanda sessions, and contests to interact directly with your audience. A loyal community will support your channel and contribute to its growth. Section 9. Consistency is key. The long game of YouTube success. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Experiment with different content formats to find what resonates best. Don't get discouraged by slow growth. Stay dedicated, and the rewards will follow.